Did we go to the monster truck show?
Yep.
And what did we see?
And we can Diablo and Zombie and Scooby-Doo and Ninjago and
Gravedigger?
Yep.
And who else?
Diablo
Diablo? And who
Yep.
else?
and Zombie.
Zombie?
Yep.
The monster truck show?
Yep.
And how did the trucks go?
And go with this. Wow. And then go.
Was it loud?
Yep. And then the phone.
And then what?
It's fun.
It was fun?
Yep.
Oh man.
And then.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh, was it awesome?
Yep. Mom, Dad,
Yes.
we're going to the coal and the truck. Wait, school bus.
The school bus?
Okay.
How did the monster truck show go?
Let's go just. And then go. But so now.
But it was too loud?
Yep.
Why?
We're super loud.
How loud was it?
Good. Oh, my school bus.
How did the monster trucks go?
Let's go with this. And then go jumped.
They jumped?
Yep. And then you go. And then go. See? The hell we jumped. Whoa.